Welcome to this CoPOS tutorial. Today we'll walk through how to record a miscellaneous RA, or Monies In, using MenuPath 1.6. This feature lets you track cash collected at the register for non-sales transactions, like customer donations. By the end of this 5-minute video, you'll know exactly how to do it, so let's get started. First, make sure you're at the CoPOS main menu. This is the home screen you see when you log in. To access Miscellaneous RA, we'll use MenuPath 1.6, which is under the Register menu. You can get there in two ways. Option 1, step-by-step navigation. Type 1 and press Enter to open the Register menu. You'll see a list of options. Now, type 6 and press Enter to select Monies In. This takes you to the Miscellaneous RA screen. Option 2, the shortcut. From the main menu, type 1.6 followed by Enter. This jumps you straight to the Monies In screen in one go. Both methods work, so choose what's fastest for you. Now you're on the Monies In screen. This is where you'll record cash collected for non-sales. Let's say a customer gives you a $10 donation to a local charity drive. Here's how to enter it. First, in the amount field, type the amount received, like 10 for $10, and press Enter. Next, enter your initials and press Enter. Then, you will be prompted to select your payment method from a list of choices. Select either cash, check, where there will be a follow-up prompt for the check number, or credit card. After selecting your payment method, for this example, we will use cash. You will then need to enter the payee's name into the Received From field. In this example, we'll title it Charity Donation. Hit Enter and you will see a choice bar along the bottom of the screen. Here, you can select Edit Fields to make any corrections to the entry before finalizing it. You will also see the option to attach a note. This is important for tracking why the money was collected. Select this option with Enter and type something clear, like Charity Donation to ABC Charity Drive, and press Enter. Notes help you later when reviewing transactions. After entering the note, press the Escape key and CoPOS will ask if you want to save or edit your note. If everything is accurate, save the note and you will then be returned to the choice bar along the bottom of the screen. If your entry is complete, you will now select Save from the bottom menu to finalize the entry. After finalizing your entry, CoPOS will prompt you to print a receipt with your note included on the receipt. Depending on your store's policies, this may or may not be necessary to include. Select your preferred choice and hit Enter again. That's it. You've recorded the Miscellaneous RA. The system saves the transaction and the cash drawer opens if needed. You'll return to the Monies In screen, ready for the next entry, or you can press Escape to go back to the Register menu. If you need to review Monies In transactions later, go to MenuPath 1.11, Miscellaneous RA Query. You can filter by date or other criteria, view details, and even print or export the data. You can also press F1 on the Miscellaneous RA Query screen for more search options. One thing to keep in mind, Miscellaneous RA is for non-sales cash, not returns or voided sales. For those, use MenuPaths 1.3 for returns or 1.5 for cash payouts. Keeping these separate ensures your records stay accurate. Let's recap. To record a Miscellaneous RA, go to MenuPath 1.6 by typing 1 Enter, 6 Enter, or 1.6 Enter. Then enter the amount, accept or edit initials, choose a payment method, specify Received From, attach a note, decide on a receipt, and you're done. It's quick and keeps your non-sales cash organized. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more CoPOS tips. See you in the next video.